In a world filled with constant consumerism, the Money Detox Challenge offers a refreshing approach to reset spending habits in just 30 days. This challenge is designed to help individuals reevaluate their financial priorities, curb unnecessary expenses, and cultivate a healthier relationship with money. The first step in the Money Detox Challenge is to establish a clear intention. Participants are encouraged to reflect on their current financial situation and identify specific goals. Whether it's saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, having a clear purpose will provide motivation throughout the challenge. Next, participants should track their spending. For the first week, every purchase, no matter how small, should be recorded. This exercise reveals spending patterns and highlights areas where money is being wasted. By understanding where the money goes, individuals can make informed decisions about their finances. Week 2 focuses on eliminating non-essential expenses. Participants are encouraged to review their spending logs and identify items that can be cut out. This might include subscription services, dining out, or impulse purchases. The goal is to prioritize needs over wants, fostering a mindset of mindful spending. During the third week, participants should explore alternatives to their usual spending habits. This can involve finding free or low-cost activities, such as hiking, visiting local museums, or hosting potluck dinners instead of dining out. By seeking out enjoyable yet affordable options, individuals can still have fun without breaking the bank. The final week of the challenge is all about reflection and planning for the future. Participants should review their progress, celebrate their successes, and identify any challenges faced during the month. This reflection helps solidify the lessons learned and encourages a continuation of healthier spending habits beyond the challenge. To support the journey, participants can join online communities or forums where they can share experiences, tips, and encouragement. Connecting with others on a similar path can provide motivation and accountability, making the detox process more enjoyable. Throughout the Money Detox Challenge, it's essential to practice self-compassion. Changing spending habits can be difficult, and setbacks may occur. Instead of being hard on themselves, participants should acknowledge their efforts and remain committed to their goals. By the end of the 30 days, participants will likely notice a significant shift in their mindset towards money. The challenge not only helps in reducing unnecessary expenses, but also fosters a sense of empowerment and control over finances. This newfound awareness can lead to long-term financial stability and improved overall well-being. In conclusion, the Money Detox Challenge is a powerful tool for anyone looking to reset their spending habits. By following these steps, individuals can take charge of their finances, cultivate mindful spending, and ultimately achieve their financial goals. Embracing this challenge can lead to lasting changes that positively impact both personal finances and overall quality of life. With dedication and commitment, the Money Detox Challenge can transform financial habits and pave a way for a brighter financial future. So, are you ready to take the plunge and embark on this transformative journey? The next 30 days could change everything.